So let's split that off, which we'll get welded back on so we can access that crack. Right, so we got top off now because this crack comes over the top of there. It starts there, goes all the way under, all the way around. Fucking hell. Let's have it, get it welded.
You have to go and look at what Lexington wants. And before that, Murray Wilson always wanted. It's the 10. For breakfast. Hello, Rich Mansfield in Starport on 7. Captain's in Poole. Here is that year I got married to my husband Tony. Congratulations. And Keith in Grey. Off to get the phone fixed and buy a new rear tyre. Rock and roll, Keith. Got the year right as well. And is in Boreham Wood. Met my now husband at JFS Secondary School. We were both then. Well, I'm not going to tell you because I'm going to be able to do the math. In Liverpool? Well, thank you for asking. 1 year out. Yeah, we're going to a substantial winner of £531,000. Please have a cash prize. I'm not picking up the draw.
This welding case back on now. Got other half a case to do and then it's done.